what I'm going to do for you now is go through the solutions to the algebra revision. So the first one, consider the expression. And there's our expression list, the terms. The terms are this one, each packet, this one, and this one. State the coefficient. So remember, the coefficient is the number next to the letter. So the coefficient for each pronumeral, well, for P it's 2, for Q it's 3, for R it's 5, and then this, it doesn't have a pronumeral, so there's only 2, 3, and 5. So for P, for Q, and for R. What is the constant term? That's just a plain number, and it's 7. Write an expression for each of the following. So remember, an expression is something that looks like this. A is halved, so I'm going to go divide by 2 and add 9. You could do half A plus 9. Either of those is absolutely correct. 4 less than triple the value of B. So triple means times 3. So we've got 3B take away 4. If you wrote 3 times B take away 4, that's okay as well. 2 is added to C, then the result is multiplied by 7. So we'll go C plus 2 times by 7. Or you could have 7C plus 2. There's some other answers as well, but we'll just leave it at those two. D is multiplied by 3, and the result is divided by 8. If you wrote 3D divided by 8, that's not quite as good, but it's okay. The sum of 6, sum plus, and 1/5 of E. So 6 plus 1/5 of E. Or you could write 6 plus E over 5. Either of those is fine. Product, hopefully remember product is times. So the product of F and G, so F times G, is subtracted from H. So H take away FG, or you could do H minus F times G. I prefer this one. Let's get on to page 2. If M is 4 and N is 5, find the value of the following expressions. So this would be 7 times 4 plus 3. So that's 28 plus 3 equals 31. 14 minus 10 over N. N is 5. So this, remember, means 10 divided by 5, so it's the same as 14 minus 2, which is 12. M times N, so that's 4 times 5, divided by 2, plus 3 times N is 5, take 1. So that could be 20 over 2. Take away, we'll do the brackets first, which is 4, so 3 times 4. So it's 10, take away 12, which is minus 2. The square root of 8m, so that's 8 times 4 minus 7. So 8 times 4 is 32, take away 7, which is the square root of 25, which is 5. The square root of n squared minus m squared, so n is 5 squared minus 4 squared. So it's the square root of 25 minus 16, because 5 times 5 is 25, 4 times 4 is 16. 25 take 16 is 9, so that's equal to 3. 12 divided by 4 plus 5 squared. That looks hard, but let's just do the inside the brackets first. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So it's 3 plus 5 squared. We'll just replace that with a 3. 3 plus 5 is 8 squared. 8 squared is 8 times 8, so that is 64. Complete the following table. So 3x plus 6, we're going to do that for x equals 0, x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3. So 3x plus 6 is 3 times 0 plus 6, 3 times 1 plus 6, 3 times 2 plus 6, 3 times 3 plus 6. 3x plus 2, so it'll be 3 times 0 plus 2, 3 times 1 plus 2, 3 times 2 plus 2, 3 times 3 plus 2. 3 times x plus 2, so you need to do the brackets first. So you go 0 plus 2 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6. For this one, 1 plus 2 is 3, times 3 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. 3 plus 2 is 5, times 3 is 15. So using this table, part B says, are any of the expressions 3x plus 6 or 3x plus 2 or 3x plus 2 equivalent? So equivalent means, are they the same? So they look a bit different, but they might give the same answer. And you'll see that this one and this one both give exactly the same answers. So it's 3x plus 6 and 3x plus 2 are equivalent. All right, let's keep going. For each of the following, find the expression that is not equivalent to the others. So if I simplify this one, I get 5x plus 3 because I put the x's together. This would be 4x, and then 5 take 3 is 2. This one just stays 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 3. This is 2x plus 3x, 5x, plus 4 take 1 is 3. So which one is not equivalent? 5 plus 4x minus 3. This is the different one. So what about this one? Let's simplify this. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Minus 5, take 2, minus 7. 4x minus 1x is 3x. Minus 3, take 4, minus 7. 2x plus x is 3x, minus 7. And this one is 3x, take x, 2x. And then we've got minus 2 plus 5, which is plus 3. So which one is not equivalent? This last one here. 3x minus 2 minus x plus 5. Question 6. Simplify the following by collecting like terms. So remember, like terms have exactly the same letter. 3a plus 2a is 5a plus 4. 10b, oh, they're all b's. So 10b minus 5b is 5b, plus 1b is 6b. So remember, there's invisible 1 there. Obviously, it's ab, but we don't bother writing the number 1 in front. So let's look at this one. The numbers, we've got 6 plus 2. And then we've got 9c, take 4c, which is plus 5c. And then minus 7d, stays like that. The x's, 8x minus 3x plus 2x is 7x. 6y plus y is 7y. 9e take 7e is 2e. Minus 3ef plus 5ef. Minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2ef. 15 take 8 is 7st. 5s plus 3s plus 8s. And then there's no like terms for these. Write the following without multiplication signs. So remember, we just don't need a multiplication sign. So this could be 5 times 4, 20, PQR. We do the numbers as normal. So this is 3 times 2 is 6, times 6 is 36, and the letters A, B, C, D. And on to the last page. Write the following without a division sign. So last time we did write without multiplication sign. So we've got 2m minus 1. It stays together because of the brackets, divided by 3. 5s divided by 6t. 4a divided by 7ab. But I can simplify. We can cancel anything on the top with anything on the bottom. So that's like saying A, how many A's is 1? We wouldn't bother writing times 1 because it'd stay the same. This one's got a little bit in it. First thing I like to do is cancel the letters. So we're just going to end up with a y on top. And then 9 over 12, we need to simplify that. So 3 goes into both. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. So it's 3y over 4. The expression 3 bracket n plus 5 can be written as n plus 5 plus n plus 5 plus n plus 5. So we've got 3 lots of n plus 5, and that's what this means. So it's like saying 3 times n plus 5. I'll just diverge a little. If I had 7 plus 7 plus 7, we know we can write that as the same as 3 times 7. and it's much quicker to write this, and that's what we do in algebra as well. So simplify the expression by collecting like terms. We've got n plus n plus n, we've got 3n, and then we've got 5, 10, 15. Using the same method as we did in A, write two groups of 3a plus 7b. All right, so I've got 3a plus 7b once, and I add that to another 3a plus 7b. So in all, I'll get 6a plus 14b. Okay, so hopefully that went all right. You can go over any that you need to, and that should help you go really well in the test later.